wrecking the place out and stealing everything
We're
that they
not
can.
doing that though.
I've just got to take your word for it.
It was already open, so. Right, take your hands up.
Stay right there, mate. Stay right there.
Be right to touch your hands.
Stay right there.
One, stay there, you shouldn't have been. Well, Davey, one, you shouldn't have been. You're getting done for fucking being in a building.
We're actually leaving.
You're getting done, boys, sorry. You get phone. What are you doing in the building?
You're not supposed to be in the building.
Take that torch off my eyes.
What are you doing breaking Henry?
What do you mean, shine the torch off your eyes? You should have been in that building.
We only, for God's sake, we only went in for a look. We never done anything wrong.
You shouldn't have been in it. Sealed up.
It was open actually.
As far as I'm concerned, you broke in.
No,
Well, go find the tools then if you want.
I'm not giving a shit about tools.
You phone the
You shouldn't have been in it.
Well, maybe you should do a wee bit better job of stealing it up then. We could
Wait, no,
people
I have
when
to
they go in.
tie my shoelace. Give it the...
Off with that, because I'll take it off you.
Right, we'll get you fucking charged with it. Get the police. I'll show them the footage and then I'll
Right,
show
well
them
then,
off.
geez it. Because we can show, geez it.
No, we can camera because we know...
Oh, silence it.
Taking some pictures.
Does it matter if you take pictures? It's a whole spot.
I didn't care.
It's a private building.
I walked past
It's a whole spot.
something on the wall and it started going off, so I just left.
Right.
What guys? Aye. In that door. There was a lot of tourists came in with us. We've got the footage. There was about 6 of them. Oh, okay, get out this way.
What are you looking for?
To get out.
To get out?
You thought we could go out this way?
You tell you go this one.
No, it's clear enough. I thought we could get out this way.
It's a totally different building. What building are we in?
This one, the car park. We thought this would take you away upstairs.
No, you're going to have to go straight down. On your left, there's a door that will take you to the... That's the way you get out.
Right, going with it.